Hi everyone, welcome back to House Build Ireland. It's the 19th of November 2017. The first fix is all done in the new house. The plasterboards are going up on the framework of the walls upstairs. We didn't go for blockwork walls upstairs, we just went for wood framework with the plasterboard and insulation between. You can kind of get an idea of how some of the rooms look now. I'll take you guys round and show you how the different walls have been cut out and how the wiring has been run and where it all goes back to, just to give you an idea of how things are progressing. So this is the main power into the house from the white box outside. So you have the main power cable coming in straight through the wall there. I believe that's the ground cable going down there, and that's all the Cat 6 cables coming back to the office. So you have two links to outside, Wi-Fi link to upstairs for an access point, and then Wi-Fi to each of the TV points in each of the bedrooms. And this is the kitchen. So you have low sockets on the right, switches here, and sockets here, sockets high and low, and then we have sockets in the corners for the cooker and stuff. And there's just power going to the middle because that's where the island's going to be, and there's power on the island as well. So just bring you around here. This is the utility room. This is where all the fuse box is going to be. This is all the main wiring harness all comes back to here. So you can see the massive cables that all come back. And then those two cables on the right there are armoured cables. That's for the solar power that's going to be on the garage, and it'll be the main link, I presume, out to the grid. So we just have more cables here, some high sockets for easy access, more here, have your back door, and then our thermostat for the heating downstairs and stuff will be here. So living room, spotlights and pendant lights hanging down from the living dining area. Low aerial sockets, power sockets, Ethernet. Just runs up in the walls again in the trunking up to the top there. There's a couple of sockets there. Aerial connections, and we'll have Wi-Fi throughout the house anyway as standard for the TV. Just to give you an idea, this is the insulation being used in the walls between the wooden framework of the walls. It's the extra firm. Yeah, seems to be pretty good. Nice and thick anyway. So the plasterboarding has just started going up, like I was saying. So it's just the back side of the spare room. It's kind of hard to show you. We have a loft hatch now. All the cabling runs up to the top there. Just bring you into the spare room. So you can see what it looks like when it's boarded out, for the most part. So you just have these cutouts for each of the sockets, all ready to be finished off. And then just usual low sockets for TVs and stuff. All the screws and everything are all countersunk. It's all ready.